Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at the XP Pen Deco Pro MW Pen Tablet. Now this retails for roughly $160 US. I will include a link in the description, and in full disclosure, this was sent over by the manufacturer for review purposes. Now what's exciting about this refresh of the Deco Pro Medium Tablet from XP Pen is that it sports Bluetooth. That means you could connect this, obviously traditionally hardwired, use the wireless receiver that's included, or connect using its Bluetooth 5.0 chipset to your device of choice. So at 11 by 6, this is obviously aimed at taking on Wacomb's Intuos Pro line. Far less expensive. In fact, the retail price of $160, it's actually usually going to be even less, because I know right now on Amazon there's a discount that takes it down even more. So I've also got a lot of feedback from users telling me that they actually prefer XP Pen's products. So it'll be interesting to see how it performs. And it has 8 express keys that are customizable, as well as a control wheel with a touchpad for mouse functionality, built-in battery, 1500 mAh. So it needs it since this is a wireless tablet. But again, if you want to use it as a hardwired tablet because you don't trust wireless connectivity, which I completely understand, you can do so. So let's take a look at this thing. So again, 11 by 6 work area, and remember that, this is still, I would say weighty. It's a little over 4 pounds, solid construction, at least what I'm feeling right now. And it really is something that is incredibly popular for good reason. I think it's smart that XP Pen decided to offer up a Bluetooth version because, they've got to keep things fresh. You can see on the back of the pen tablet our on-off switch right there. And then as we take a look around the body, we have a Type-C port right there. That is for both charging as well as hardwiring this. And that's pretty much it around the body. Let's take a look at the tablet itself. Now it is a matte finish, which I think is preferable for a drawing tablet. Then again, I'm not the artist of the household. We'll see what she has to think. The 8 express keys right there, as well as the jog dial, all programmable, all customizable. You're going to want to jump to XP Pen's website for the customization software as well as drivers in the event you need them. This supports pretty much every operating system, Windows 7 and up, Mac OS, of course Linux. I'm pretty sure you can use a Chromebook with this as well. So we'll see what I end up testing it with, but still, really nice drawing tablet, and to add to it, the fact that we have Bluetooth connectivity is definitely a bonus. So like what I'm seeing here, full-featured, large drawing surface area. Let's take a look at what else comes in the box. So many of you already know this, but XP Pen does include a drawing glove. I'll actually move this out of the way completely. And I think that's, a nice added bonus. Let's go ahead and get some of these boxes out of here. So this looks like we're going to have paperwork in this center box. Let's see. And it's a combo. It's the glove that I was just talking about. So you have that right there. And then we also have a Type-C to micro USB adapter in the event you need it. Nice that it's included. Let's see. The balance is your quick start guide as well as your warranty. Right here, we have the pen. And I have to say, nice packaging also from XP Pen. A little bit of a warning here. Do not twist off the pen cap. Do not drop it from height. So seems like good advice. Your USB receiver is right here. And again, this is a brand new offering, so keep that in mind. Here is the receiver right there. So in the event you don't have Bluetooth but want to use this in a wireless capacity, that's how you're going to do it. You're just going to disconnect this, put the cap back on, plug this into your device of choice, again, tablet, laptop, desktop, whatever it may be. Screw that right back on. And also those, dare I forget, these are all the replaceable nibs for the pen. So it looks like they give you a fair amount of them. Pretty good. And then moving to the pen itself, I'm assuming that this also screws off. And remember, as they warned you, do not twist off the pen cap. So there is the pen. pretty nice. Again, I think XP Pen does a solid job in making a competitive and quality product alternative to the Wacom platform. I know many of you have used Wacom all your life, so this takes some time getting used to. We'll see what the learning curve is like with the XP Pen platform, but the pen looks good. Your button's right there, of course the nib, and that's pretty much it here. So pretty straightforward. Let's move on. Go ahead and put that aside to our last box. See what we've got in there. And we'll see right now. I'm expecting the rest of the goodies here, all the cables, and yeah, that's what we've got. So we have a Type-C with a 90-degree cable right there, 90-degree head, I should say. That is for connecting directly to the tablet, of course. And then we have another Type-C with a 90-degree to a Type-C. So, or excuse me, Type-A here, Type-C to Type-C. So depending on your device, you know, if you're working with a modern Ultrabook, any new laptop, Type-C is probably going to be preferable. If you're working with a desktop, you know, or an older laptop, or you just don't have any Type-C ports available, you have that flexibility to go with a Type-A connection. And these look pretty long, so that's definitely going to be good for anyone who's worried about making the run to their respective machine. So that pretty much rounds it out. I mean, I'm excited to start using this, see how it performs. Again, my other half is the real artist in the family, and she's going to really put this thing through more diligent testing than myself. And, you know, really whatever you want to use this for Photoshop, for AutoCAD, whatever it may be, even just doing, you know, something in a whiteboard capacity, any form of illustration, touch up, you know, you've got a really broad array of support with this specific XP Pen tablet. And again, having the wireless is just another nicety, because of course you could just go with the hardwired one, but XP Pen upped their game because they knew that of course Wacom's Intuos Pro does support Bluetooth, so why not take them head on? And I think it was a smart move. So excited to get this thing going. Of course, I will keep you all posted. A full review will eventually come, and just well made, and I don't know how you could beat this for the price. Again, over 8,000 levels of sensitivity, 8,100 and change, and all at 160 retail, but even less, as I mentioned. I think it's just a little over, might be 120 some odd dollars right now. So I can't imagine this being a product that you could beat with anything else on the market, especially from a manufacturer that's been around for quite some time. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them. Hit that like button, and as usual, please feel free to subscribe, and please stay safe. Later.